Hello everyone, how are you? So today we are going to learn about VLOOKUP. So we have heard in our office or in our class or in any industries, whether it's corporate, government, that Excel is required, and in Excel VLOOKUP is a mandate that everyone should know, whether he is a normal agent or a Excel MIS or anything. VLOOKUP holds a lot of importance in the corporate industry or in Excel. So today we are going to find out what VLOOKUP is, why so much hype VLOOKUP has. So what is the definition of VLOOKUP? First we will look into that. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup in Excel Google Sheets. It is used to search for a value in the first column of a range and return a value from another column in the same row. So, what does it says? It says that VLOOKUP is a vertical lookup in Excel. It helps us to search wi- by the first column of a range or in a table. So suppose we have so much, we have data in DEFG. So w- we can search a particular amount or anything present in this table or in this column that we are going to see in some few minutes. So what is the syntax of VLOOKUP? Is VLOOKUP, first we have to give equal to VLOOKUP, then lookup value. So what is lookup value? Lookup value is something that we are going to look up. Like it can be a employee ID, it can be a roll number, it can be a name of the person, or it can be anything, but it should be unique. Table array means our data set, database means the data in which data we are going to find the lookup value. Column index number, in which column n m n o p, like that, in which column. So we have to give number, like column, from if this is my table. So column A will be my table, column number 1, it will be second, it will be third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. Range lookup means whether we are looking for an exact match or an approach match. Exact match means that we want the exact thing, and approach match is that it if it is nearby, then it is also acceptable. So let's go to example number 1. This is a table, right? We have some names, customer names like Disha Agarwal, Abhishek, Sridhar, Abdul Wahid, Sarita. So we have like 13 names, and there are products that what this customer had bought from us. So if we want to find out that what customer had bought what things from our store, so how can we do that? One option is that we can manually look for it, that okay, Disha has bought lemons, and where is Abdul? Abdul has bought biscuit. We can do this, or we can also use the filter, like Arjun Shaw. Arjun Shaw has used the bought pies. But if our database is small, these two, what I mentioned just now, is very good. But when the database will be large, when the data is large and huge, it will be not easy. It will be not easy, it will be very hectic for us. So what we will do, we will use the VLOOKUP function, because in Excel we always try to use the formula as many as much as possible, because formulas are dynamic. It change with the sales, change with the names. Let me show you. Equal to VLOOKUP. So what I want to look, I want to I want to know what the customer has bought from us. So this will be my lookup value. Customer name. What is my table array? So this is my table array, means in the data in which we want to search. Okay, and we will freeze it. Freeze means we are locking it. It is a best practice. We always, if we always lock the our table array, Then column index number. What is a column index number? Just as I mentioned earlier, column index number is we this is our database. So from which column we want the output. This is column number 1, this is column number 2. So we want the products, right? So we will write column 2, column 2, okay. Then it is range lookup, means it is asking that we want a approx match or exact match. In this case we want exact match, so for exact match we use 0. Then we will just close the bracket and we will press enter. So biscuit, it is showing that Abdul Wahid had bought biscuit from our store. So let us quickly verify Abdul Wahid biscuit, okay. Let's suppose I want to change the name here. So let me select the name Mira. Automatically it will change to sweets. So Mira Dudu has bought sweet from us. So this is the power of a formula, that it will automatically change. If we had used statics, means we have not used the VLOOKUP, we need to go and we have to type sweets. That's why we always prefer formulas. So I hope this was clear. Okay, let us go to example number 2. It will give us a better understanding. So in example number 2, we have a small database of a company. The data consists of employee ID, role, skill, and salary. So how many people we have? Let us see. We have 40. We have 40 persons in this database. 40 people are in there. So we have different types of roles: associate, manager, MIS, quality, SME, team lead. Okay, let me delete it. Oh, okay, let me write one more thing. Salary. Okay. So now what my manager asked me, okay, give me the salary of this person. 10, suppose 1033. Give me the salary of employee ID 1033. So I have three ways to do it. Like I mentioned, we can manually go like this: 1033 associate production. uh, the the salary is 16,000, right? We can write this 16,000, okay. Or we can, what we can do, we can just search here 1033. It will give us the salary 16,000. But these are not indus- used in industry because there is only 14 rows, right? But when the data will be huge, it will be not easy for us to every time go and check it, right? Because every time that the employee ID get changed, we will have to manually go and change the salary, and we don't want to work every time the employee ID get changed. So we will use VLOOKUP for our, to save our time and for easy. So let me write that 1033. So salary. So salary equal to VLOOKUP. This is our, we will use lookup value. So friends, what is my lookup value here? So it will be 1033, right? Because we are going to find the salary of 1033. So this is my lookup value. So what is my table array? My table array is this, or all these four. This is my table. In this data I want to find this person 1033. So we will lock it. So column index number. What is the column index number here? Column index number means on which column need to, on which column do we want, like employee ID, role, skill, salary. What column do we need? So I need the salary, right? So salary is 1 2 3 4. It is in column number 4, okay. So do I want approx match or exact match? I want the exact match, so I will use 0. I have put it 0. Now let's press enter. Boom. 16,000 we have got. So let us verify 1033 16,000. Yes, it is right. Let me just change the employee ID 1022. It is 30,000. Is it correct? Let us check. 1022 13,000. Yes, it is right. 1044. 44 is not the 1040. 16,000. 10404040. Uh, it's okay. So I hope you all get the understanding. Now we will just suppose if we want to see the rule. Okay, so we will use VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value. This is my table column index number. So we want the role of this person. So role is on employee ID one. Role is on second column. We will use two. We want the exact match zero, and we will associate. So, okay, so 1040 is associate. Yes, it is. Uh, if just we will change the employee ID. See that one when we change the employee ID, the role and salary automatically change. This is the power of a formula, and this is also the power of VLOOKUP, that it will dynamically change. So it is not static. Every time the employee ID will change, the name will change, or anything by which you are using the lookup as a lookup, and the answer will automatically change. So this is always suggested that we should use a VLOOKUP. And one more important, most important thing in the VLOOKUP is that VLOOKUP always work from left to right. It can't work from right to left. It will fail. It will give us an error. So always, whenever you are working with VLOOKUP, always remember that your lookup value should be in in the left column, in the in the starting leftmost column. So suppose if this is my lookup table, so my lookup value should be in this. It cannot be in salary column, because VLOOKUP will not work from right to left. So friends, I hope I was able to make you understand about VLOOKUP. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.